Hello everybody, I'm Chevy.
And I'm Caleb.
We're the boys from FishNGrillz. Today we're going to be presenting to you the
Jackery 1000. This is an electric generator. We just got this, so let's open it up and see what we got.
tuning in for this episode of FishNGrillz!
Accessory pack. Pretty heavy, pretty small. What do you think?
Oh, very portable. How's it weight? Like 15-20 pounds, maybe less than that. Yeah.
Looks like it's got a lot of features here. Free plug-ins, some USBs.
Oh, is that a flashlight?
Oh, it is.
There's a flashlight on here. Oh.
Yeah, actually, I read the manual and it says you can go to SOS mode if you hold it down. There. Pretty cool.
Alright, so what we have here is we have 3 outlets. We have 2 USB ports and 2 C ports with a screen display so you can see your battery charge. Pretty cool. What do we have here?
Some pretty high technology. But also we got some solar panels that you can hook up to this that generate power for the electric generator. Let's bust this out. Alright, so this is the solar panels that connect to the electric generator. Let's see what we got here.
Wow.
Oh, this is big.
Nice bright orange. I like that color.
Right, this looks like a stand part. I guess you can, oh, there you go. Wrong way. You can open it up like that. Put the stand up, put it in the sun. Noticing some features with this, you can put, when you put it on the sun, there's also a USB A and C port right here so you can charge your phones or whatever you need to.
You can charge things straight off from the panel.
Yep, so you don't necessarily need this to charge it, you can charge it independently with the solar panel here.
Wow.
So that'll be very useful for us.
Very cool.
And we have 2 of them, so one will be for the generator and then one will be for the extra stuff.
Alright, so we have 3 different cords over here. What each one is for?
So it looks like you're able to charge the generator directly into the wall at home, wherever you are that has a wall port, or you can charge it into your car. It has a cigarette lighter charger. And that'll be very useful for rainy days when you can't access good sunlight for the solar panels.
Alright, so everything's out of the box. Let's set up the panels and see how it works.
Alright, so we're just going to show you how it looks when it's like fully set up. So obviously you want to set it up towards the sun to get the most energy possible. I wouldn't recommend bending the pads because the solar power unit is probably sensitive. Alright, I'm loving these solar panels. They're big. Looks like they're going to absorb a lot of energy.
And not only this panels charges the generator itself, it actually has its own output up to 100 watts. So you actually plug in your USB charger on the side, you charge your phone.
And that's good because then you can have one dedicated solar panel unit to your phones, cameras, etc. and then one dedicated to the generator.
Multi-use panels. So as these panels are absorbing all the energy from the sunlight, this is how you transfer it to the generator. There's a wire that's installed back here.
And then you just plug it in directly into the unit. So with the solar power, to charge the unit, it takes about 17 hours with good sunlight. So it's not too bad, but if it rains, you can also charge it with the car. The 12-volt cigarette lighter unit right there. So for right now, we got a phone charging, a drone charging, simplest of things, but it works for us and what we do. So this would be perfect for being in the outdoors and having a good power supply.
Alright guys, let's get a closer look at the features of the Jackery Explorer 1000 and the Jackery SolarSaga 100 solar charger panels. So right here in the top left corner of the generator, we have the DC input where you can charge the generator with the outlet cord, the car charger, or with the solar panel. Below that, on the bottom left corner of the generator, we have the car charger adapter port, and next to that we have two USB-C charging ports and two USB-A charging ports, perfect for camera equipment and phones. And to the right of that, we have three standard wall outlet charging ports, perfect for lights, music, and other electronic appliances. Also on the side of the generator is an LED light with an emergency SOS signal. The average waiting time for a full charge is about 7.5 hours from a wall charger, 14 hours with a car charger, and about 17 hours with good weather for the solar charger. And on that note, let's get to the solar panels, the Jackery SolarSaga 100. These solar panels can output about 100 watts and 18 volts with direct sunlight. Now going to the back of the solar panel, we have a Velcro strapped in stand. Just pop it out and stand it up. And above that, we have another pocket. Unzip that to reveal a cord that plugs into the electric generator DC port for charging. Also, here we have a USB-C and a USB-A charging port for extra charging capabilities. So overall, we are excited to implement the Jackery Explorer 1000 into our outdoor adventures. Jackery has a new generator product coming out soon, the Jackery 1000 Pro version, to be revealed on August 31st, and will be on sale in September. Be sure to follow them on Instagram for updates and check out their website for purchase.